Hey everybody, GT here from GT's Barbecue. Hey, hope everyone's doing okay. It's a nice sunny afternoon and I decided to do some fried chicken wings in my Blackstone air fryer. So I'm going to get these things prepped up here in a second. Stay tuned and we'll be right back. Okay, let's go over the ingredients I'm going to use for these air fryer chicken wings. Got a dozen wings here. I have about 3/4 cup of cornstarch. I've seen a couple of videos where people have used that and it really seems to help crisp the skin. I have 1 tablespoon of Daddy Dutch, Kent's Sweet Heat Rub. I'm going to put a little spice on these. And I have 2 tablespoons of Killer Hogs The Barbecue Rub. And I'm going to put that in with this cornstarch. Season it up a little bit. And then I'm going to put a real light coating of olive oil on the wings. And then a few at a time, I'll get them coated with this cornstarch, seasoned cornstarch mixture. And then once they're all coated, I'm going to give them a quick spray on the outside with some butter-flavored Pam spray. And then we'll get them in the air fryer. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay, let's get started here. Just a little drizzle. And I want to make sure the coating sticks. So I'll just get in here. Get a nice light coat. Get my bag open. I'll probably do, I don't know, 3 or 4 at a time here. Start with 4. Give these a nice little shake-a-roo, technical term. Some of that nice seasoned cornstarch mixture on them. I guess just about like that. Shake off the excess. Oh yeah, those look good. Again, I used about 3/4 cups of cornstarch for this. And I was just guessing, so I think that's going to be just about the right amount. Another batch. You get the idea. Okay, got the wings all nice and coated in my seasoned cornstarch mixture. I'm just going to give these a light coat. Of butter-flavored Pam spray. Come around here. Just trying to get it really where you don't see any white. This should help these things crisp up nicely. Like so. And then just for color and flavor, I'm going to add a little bit more of Killer Hogs The Barbecue Rub to this. This is a custom recipe. Never tried it before. I'm making it up as I go, so bear with me and we'll see what we get. Okay, I'm going to let that sit there for a minute, soak up those spices. I'll go ahead and do the other side, and we'll get them in the air fryer and get them going. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Okay, I've got my fry baskets here. Not sure, honestly, how many of these are going to go into each one, but we're going to find out right now. I left these whole. I don't want them on top of each other, but they don't need a whole lot of room in between them. And it looks like I'm going to get 6 in each basket. So that ought to be pert near close to a dozen. So there's the first basket. Whoops, sorry about that. Get the other 6 in over here. Like so. Ooh, that's a big one. And there we go. Okay, I'm going to get these outside. I'll move the camera over to the fryer and we'll get them in. We'll see what we get. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay, basket number 1 and basket number 2. And I am going to go ahead and turn this up to high. I've had it warming up on low just to get a little temp on these. And as I've said before, this is just a warming basket. This doesn't actually have hot air on it. This would be great for keeping your pancakes warm or bacon or whatever you want to keep warm. So I don't know, I'm going to let those stay in there for probably 20 minutes and I'll take a peek at them and see how they look and get a temp. So stay tuned. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. Take a peek at these guys. That's what we're looking at here. Oh wow, I don't think I'm going to need to turn these at all. They're nice and brown on the bottom, getting brown on the top. Let me take a quick temperature read here. Oh wow, these are done. These are already 197 degrees on that one. 183 degrees on that one. Chicken is safe at 165. So, holy cow, I'm going to turn this down to low. Let those go for about 5 more minutes. Get them inside, let them cool off, and we'll see what they look like. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. Okay, there you have it. Fried chicken in the Blackstone Griddle air fryer combo. That was 20 minutes. I got a nice crispy skin on here. I saved one to give it a try. I've got some heat resistant gloves on. They were temping about 190 degrees. They're coming apart nice and easy. Oh, nice and juicy. The skin is crispy. Pulls right apart. Take a little bite. Hot. Wow. Disintegrates in your mouth. That seasoning is great. Wow, Kent, I can taste a little heat from the sweet heat rub. Nice color. Just going to kind of rip into here so you can kind of see. Yeah, it just comes right apart. That's delicious. So there you go. Real quick, before I finish, I've had a lot of questions on cleaning these air fryer baskets. And I brought in the one from the warming tray. Basically, oh, and I didn't turn these either. There's a little space underneath. You can kind of see that so that the air can circulate around. And then when you want to clean it, you just loosen these 2 nuts and the cover pops off. And then this stainless steel pan just goes in the dishwasher. So that's pretty slick, pretty handy. Obviously, you want to make sure it's not still hot before you do that. So there you go. Fried chicken on the Blackstone air fryer griddle combo. Thanks so much for watching. If you're so inclined, please like and subscribe. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.